Hi there, this is ᴴᵃန့ᵈ and I welcome you to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time visiting my channel, I urge you to go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget to like, leave a comment in the comment section, and then don't forget to share the video with other people who may need the information that I'm gonna share here. So now, in this video, my focus will be on how you can actually link a yellow card to Poppo Live, or how you can actually link ePay to Poppo Live for easy withdrawal of money. So what you do is you need to open Poppo Live, and I want you to know that Poppo Live is actually an app with which you can earn more than $100 per day if you just get to learn how it works. Okay, so for the sake of making a demonstration, I just made sure that I acquired like $10. So what you do is you have to click the bottom right cornered tab, the one which is in the bottom right corner. You click it, and then you check out. You have to ensure that you have at least $10. So you click where it says points, then you click withdraw. Come on, Poppo Live. Come on, Poppo Live. Network is pretty slow. Okay, so you see that where it says withdraw method, I've already pasted something there. So if it's your first time you're actually withdrawing money from here, you will actually see this part and it will actually be blank. Poppo Live is much flexible. You can actually change. So you'll see Binance, you see ePay, you also see USDT. So it's just a matter of clicking there, and then when you click there, you have to ensure that you actually choose TRC20 as the network, and then the blank space that will remain, you need to fill it in with the USDT wallet address. So let's head on to ᴴᵃényᵈ so that we actually get that wallet address. So when you happen to get to ᴴᵃényᵈ, of course you need to punch in the details here, that is the password. Thereafter you need to enter the PIN. Okay, so when you log into ᴴᵃényᵈ, when you log on to your ᴴᵃényᵈ account, what you need to do is this: you simply swipe left. Okay, you've seen where it says ZKB. Swipe left so that you see USDT, then you click USDT. Then here you will simply need to click receive, and then click copy. When you click copy, you can now head back to Poppo Live, and then you will need to paste it here and then submit. After you submit, obviously it will now take you to that part where you need to choose the number of points that you have to withdraw, or the number of dollars that you have to withdraw. Then your money will actually get into your account within a shortest period of time. If it's your first time withdrawing, it may take 5 minutes to 30 minutes for the money to come through, but after that time it will simply be instant. Anytime you happen to click withdraw, the money will be getting into your wallet. Okay, so your e-wallet. So now what I want to do is I want to bind my ePay, so I'm changing my withdrawal method. I'm using ePay now. Okay, so now here they want me to enter the account. So with ePay, all you have to do is you simply punch in the email address with which you had opened your ePay. So here we go. I'm gonna punch in my address. So now after you've bound your ePay with Poppo, you can now click withdraw now. Remember, With ePay, there is no fee. It's zero fee. But I wouldn't actually encourage you to use ePay if you're not a coin seller, because when the coins or when the money happens to be withdrawn into ePay, you may fail to actually withdraw it from ePay, especially if your account is not verified. So don't follow blindly and then come back here to comment that, hey, ᴃᵃᵈᵇᵒ, it didn't forewarn me. So me, I'm able to actually buy coins using the money from ePay. So here we go. I'm gonna hit withdraw now. Please enter. How much am I withdrawing? So here you simply have to punch in the number of dollars you're withdrawing. Then we click submit. Withdraw amount $10. There we go. Boom. And I have remained with 0.06. Friends, that's how we actually withdraw money from Poppo Live to ePay as well as to ᴃᵃᵈ. Even Binance, it's one and the same thing. You simply have to copy the wallet address. But I commend ᴃᵃᵈ because it's easier to manipulate. You don't have to hustle big time for you to withdraw money from here, or from ᴃᵃᵈ rather. It's very, very, very simple, and you'll be able to withdraw money directly from ᴃᵃᵈ into your mobile money account. Use MTN and you will enjoy. If you use Airtel, you have to have a SPAN account. Simple. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to install Poppo Live. I'm leaving all the details. That is the invitation link, and I'm gonna leave also the agent's number that you need to punch in when you are actually trying to join my agency. And I'm gonna leave other things. Just check out everything in the description section. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed.